Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the working core so you can test motion immediately. First, gather a small DC motor, LED array, acrylic tube, and a 3/4 AA battery pack. Cut your base and tower from plywood or foam board. Mark the centerline and ventilation holes so heat won't build up. Once done, secure the motor to the base with screws and attach a rotating platform about 1/2 inch above the base using a spacer. This gives you the rotation axis and support for the optics that follow. Now you refine the light and rotation so the model behaves like a real lighthouse. Wire the LED array to a proper resistor or constant current driver. Make sure polarity is correct and the supply matches 3/4V or the LED rating. Next, mount a Fresnel or small plano convex lens inside the acrylic tube, centering it roughly 10 to 20 millimeters from the LED to focus the beam. Then connect the motor to the rotating platform using a 1:12 gear ratio, and balance the load to minimize wobble and noise as it spins. Finish by weatherproofing and validating performance so the model operates reliably. Seal tower seams with silicone to resist splashes while leaving ventilation slots above the electronics to prevent overheating. Mount the acrylic housing and align the lens with the LED beam. Run a 5 to 10 minute test to observe heat, rotation stability, and beam alignment. Adjust gear tension if it slips. If you see flicker or intermittent power, stop and inspect wiring joints. Reflow any cold solder joints and ensure battery contacts are secure, which fixes most faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.